Something that you'll be using every week in Bootcamp is your Personal Passion Project Pack. To get there for the first time, click on the notebook from the virtual classroom page. Then you'll get to a screen that looks like this. If you're familiar with Google Docs, you'll know what to do, but if not, or maybe you need a refresher, you're just going to go to File, Make a Copy. So File, Make a Copy, Entire Presentation, and then you'll want to save it, maybe give it your own little title like My Project, and then save it in a folder where you'll always know where it is and can easily access it, because again, you'll be using it every day throughout the Bootcamp program. So that's how to make your own copy. Then once you have your own copy, it will still look just like this because it's a copy, of course. I wanted to just orient you on what is here and how to use it. So this will be your interactive notebook. Everything that you need will be accessed through here. After each lesson, come here and do what it says. And that will all be in the virtual classroom to tell you what slide to go to and what to do. So for example, on day 1, the slide says to do slides 3 and 4. So let's go to slide 3 and 4. So this is the easy, fast way to know exactly what you need to do every single lesson. In this left-hand side, there will be notes and things to help you complete the activity if needed. Sometimes there aren't any because the text is pretty self-explanatory. So for example, on slide 4, there isn't anything in that corner because it's not really needed. So on page 3, slide 3, you'll just be writing your goals. All of these are editable, so you can just type as the directions say. So type why this goal is important to you. Maybe your goal was learn how to code. And then you would write why that's important to you and continue on in the next 2 boxes. And the page 4, which is the second part of what you needed to do for day 1 in this example, is here. You're going to be making a vision board. So you would click here, follow the steps, and do it. And this is how everything will work throughout Bootcamp. Anything you need to do for the activity for each lesson will be linked directly within your Personal Passion Project Pack, this document here. So in this case, you'd click that, you'd complete the vision board, and then you'll post your vision board project in the discussion board on the Bootcamp page. And this same process of looking at what slides you should do, going to your document and doing them is repeated, as you can see, every single lesson throughout the Bootcamp program. And if you ever need help or you're not exactly sure what to do, either myself or your career coach are always just a quick email away.